On February 3, 2026, the bishops of the Catholic Church in India gathered in Bangalore mainly for the 37th Plenary Assembly of the Conference of Catholic Bishops of India, CCBI. Why did the CCBI gather in Bangalore on February 3, 2026? For the 37th Plenary Assembly of CCBI, the bishops met for their annual National Assembly, which brings together Latin Catholic bishops from across India to discuss the life and mission of the Church. The assembly was held at St. John's National Academy of Health Sciences, Bangalore. About bishops from 132 dioceses participated in the meeting to reflect and decide on important church matters. During the plenary assembly, bishops review the situation of the Church in India, discuss challenges facing society and the faithful, plan pastoral and missionary actions for the future. In short, it is the highest decision-making and reflection meeting of the Latin Church in India to address key pastoral and social challenges. The 2026 Assembly discussed issues like evangelization and faith formation, youth and future generations, Christian witness in a multi-religious society, unity, peace, and human fraternity. Pope Leo also sent a message urging the bishops to promote unity and peace in society. During the assembly, newly appointed bishops were welcomed. Reports and plans of the Church were reviewed. Common decisions affecting priests, religious, and lay people were discussed. In simple words, the CCBI gathered in Bangalore on February 3, 2026 to pray together, reflect on the Church's mission in India, discuss current challenges, and plan future pastoral actions.